Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you add multiple lines of bio in your Instagram profile. So for your reference, I have opened up this profile, that's my profile, and here I have added bio in multiple lines, which looks pretty clean and professional. So in this video I'm going to show you that only, and the one requirement for this is that you need to have your Instagram profile opened up in your PC. That could be a desktop or a laptop. Because why, I will tell you in a few seconds. So first, you have opened your profile, just go to edit profile, and here you can just simply make some changes. So I was making some changes but I didn't save them, so you can see these changes are over here. Like suppose after 300 plus happy deliveries, I want to remove the evil eye sign, and in the next line I can simply just press enter and add the words and counting, like this. So the word limit is within the limit, and once I'm happy with it, I can simply just click on submit. And once I do that, the profile is saved. I can again go back to my profile and I can see that here I have added the bio in multiple lines. Now this is fairly easy to do in desktop but not in mobile, because in mobile once you are editing your profile you might not get the enter option. So that is why I recommend you to do this thing in PC. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.